Kia ora. This is our Christmas book, E Hia Ngā Moe, and so it's a Christmas countdown. A lot of people use it all through the year because the children love the counting in it. E Hia Ngā anything means how many. So anything as long as it's not people. If it's people, you would say toko hia. And in some dialects you would say e whia or toko whia. But in this particular one I've got e hia. So e hia ngā moe, you probably know that moe means sleeps. So this is e hia ngā moe, how many sleeps. And the song is about how many sleeps until Santa comes. And the answer to e hia ngā anything, so it could be e hia ngā pōtai, e hia ngā puka puka, e hia ngā shoes, how many shoes? This ngā tells us it's a plural, is always the exactly same sentence structure, but take out the hia and put the number in. So e hia ngā moe, let's say it's 8 sleeps, it would be how many sleeps? E waru ngā moe. Everything else stays the same. How many books? Let's say there was only one book. That would be different because for one we say kotahi te instead of e. Kotahi te puka puka. But for all the others, 2 to 9, e rua ngā puka puka, e toru ngā ngeru, 3 cats, etc. Te kau would be te kau ngā moe, 10 sleeps. So what we've done with this book is the sentence structure is that same question, e hia ngā moe, and then it says kia tai mai a hana koko. Kia tai mai is about until the arrival of. Hana koko is the Māori transliteration of Santa Claus. So how many sleeps till Santa Claus comes? It's a very long sentence, but it repeats all the way through, so you'll get the hang of it. E hia ngā moe kia tai mai a hana koko. And then the child is asking that, and then on each page the assumption is that the adult is then thinking, oh well, if I say 3, it might as well be 300 because the numbers don't really mean anything to little children. So instead of just answering the number, we're saying me ko te ngā, which means let's count the. Me ko te ngā, and on each page we're counting something different. On this page, the whetū kirihimeti, the Christmas stars. So when I do this book with children at Christmas time, we have a Christmas tree that we put up and we add some different little items to it. So for the stars, we would have these stars that we would add to the Christmas tree. And then for the next page, which is cards, we would add cards, and for the, there's hats and pōtai, so we would add the pōtai to the Christmas tree, and the little Christmas stockings, tōkena, and chocolate Santas. This isn't pretending to be a chocolate Santa. Te akareti kirihimete, and pirihana, the gift. So you can do that kind of thing really easily, maybe even as a way of when you put your Christmas tree up in your classroom, that would be a fun thing to do the decorations following the line of this book. So that's what we do, and we also, the tune is quite bouncy, so I might accidentally start doing this. We have bells on our wrists and we ring them like this. So I'll put the tune on and you can hear what the children love doing is joining in with the counting. So if nothing else, they'll join in with the counting and they'll love the counting. So how many sleeps till Santa comes? Let's count the stars. 10 sleeps to go. How many sleeps till Santa comes? Let's count the cards. 9 sleeps to go. And then you'll see what happens at the end. Okay, so we'll put on the music and start. Let's count the Christmas stars. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, whetū, sleeps left. Ring your bells. Children might have some bells with them. E hia ngā moe, kia tai mai a hana koko. Me ko te ngā kariki me te. Count the Christmas cards. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, whitu, waru, iwa. E iwa ngā moe kei te toi. 9 sleeps to go. So we're using these counting to work out how many sleeps to go. E hia ngā moe, kia tai mai a hana koko. How many sleeps till Santa comes? We'll count the bells. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, whitu, waru. E waru ngā moe kei te toi. And the pictures also show how we're getting closer to Christmas and doing something different each day towards the build up to Christmas. E hia ngā moe, kia tai mai a hana koko. Me ko te ngā pai kirihi me te. Christmas mince pies. Rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, whitu. Te whitu ngā moe kei te toi. So there's 7 pies, so there's 7 sleeps to go. Now we're hanging up our stockings. E hia ngā moe, kia tai mai a hana koko. Me ko te ngā toke ngā kirihi me te. Let's count the Christmas stockings. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono. E ono ngā moe kei te toi. You can count them here or you can count them there. Either works. So now we're shopping. E hia ngā moe, kia tai mai a hana koko. How many sleeps till Santa comes? Te akarete, kirihimeti, Christmas Santa. Rua, toru, wha, rima. E rima ngā moe kei te toi. Te akarete is chocolate and kirihimeti is Christmas. Oh, we're going away somewhere, so we'll investigate that. Counting the perehana presents. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Te whanga moe kei te toi. 4 sleeps to go. Oh, I wonder where they're going on holiday. E hia ngā moe, kia tai mai a hana koko. How many sleeps till Santa comes? We'll count the hats, shall we? Tahi, rua, toru. E toru ngā moe kei te toi. 3 sleeps to go. Now we know where we are. Going to the beach. E hia ngā moe, kia tai mai a hana koko. Should we count the Christmas trees? Tahi, rua. E rua ngā moe kei te toi. So there's our lovely pohutukawa trees. What happens after 2? E hia